everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video, we're going to discuss about Booleans. Okay, Booleans in Python. So, what is Boolean in Python? Suppose Boolean represent uh, one of two values like true or false something. Suppose we have the true value and we want to check something, one or two value. We can check this is true or not something. Okay, so how? Let's see. Suppose if you want to check something like that, suppose I'm going to write print here, and 10 is an 9 something. Let's see what happens. True, 10 is greater than 9. Suppose I'm going to this one, just suppose it 10 is less than 9. Look, this is false. Okay, look, I'm going to put here 19. Yes, we have the true option, so we can check like that. Okay, we have checking the particular value, true or false something, this is true or not. And suppose we have the two parameters, suppose two variable, suppose we have a, 10, b, and b. Okay, so what I need to do here, I'm going to check if inside the bracket I'm going to put a is less than b. Okay, I'm checking a is less than b. I'm going to print a is less than b. Let's see what happens. A is less than b. Okay, also we can check here else condition, and also we can put here like we're going to put here b is less than a. So we can check like this one. So I'm going to just opposite direction, a is greater than b. This is condition is false, this will be executed. B is less than a, this one executed. B is less than a. Okay, sorry, a is greater than b, this is condition true, so we get the result this one. We can put that this execution also. Okay, let me leave this one. Might be some syntax errors. Yes, look here, b is less than a, b is less than a, b is greater than a. This condition is true. B is greater than a is greater than b. This is false conditions. Okay, so we checked on how to get true or false based on condition. Okay, and if you want to do that something different in Boolean, so let's try. Suppose I'm going to try here Boolean set. Let me execute this. Yes, this is true. Suppose with the number, we can get the value of it true. So we can evaluate the program also like this one. Okay, so string and number, we can execute that two variables also. So hope so this is clear for you. And suppose if you have any kind of value, so you want to check that true or false something, any kind of condition, so you can do that from your side also. Okay, and also if you want to use in function, you can check by using the function also. Okay, so we can get the result of the return true or false something. So how you need to do that, if you want, I will make another video. Okay, so like this, let's close this here only. Suppose I have one function, I want to write like this one, first fun. I have just created first fun. Okay, so this is the function basically. So now first function is there, and here I want to do that like return true. I'm going to type here like this one, return true, and after that let me execute that below some code, and here I'm going to put here if condition, and here my function we have created, which is the first fun. Okay, first fun, suppose I have created here, and I want to print here first one. Okay, this is, if I run here like this one, then let me write else condition, then I want to print here else. Okay, let me execute the program. First functions, suppose if we have the first functions, we have written here first function, we get in the true value, we remain the true. If true, this will execute. Okay, if first function is not there, something like this one, then we get the not defined something. Okay, and if we have written here false, then let me execute that program. First function, let me again, we getting, because this function is there, then we are putting the first function or not something, so this will returning true or false something same value. Okay, we're going to again true. Yes, this one is executed again. So here we are running true, that's why we're getting the return is this one. Okay, and thank you for watching this video.